Hi, I'm Doc Noel. Pero kilala po ako sa mga radio and TV program as Doc Novel from CMA7 and sometimes from ABS-CBN. Now, I have this hypertension for the last 28 years of my life. And it's really bothering me because every time na stress ako or masakit ang ulo ko, talagang lalong tumataas ang blood pressure ko. And I've been trying a lot of hypertensive drugs and very transient lang ang effect. Plus, it's really harming my liver as well. So, I've been also taking some other herbal product, but fortunately, ito pong FKC product has really gone a lot of effect in my health because yung hong aking 180/100 na blood pressure, 130/90, naging 100 na po, 120/80, or 110 sometimes 69. So, it has really an amazing effect. And I really thanks God for this wonderful product from United States. And of course, I'm now enjoying my life. Hindi na ako natatakot, baka bigla akong atakin sa puso, things like that. And then, foremost is I feel so relaxed and parang stress-free na po ang aking nararamdaman ngayon. So, why don't you guys try this product? Thank you very much.